So in this video we are going to see how to bypass the Applocker default rules. So what are the Applocker default rules? So everyone can run the executables that are present in the Windows folder and program files folder. So we have only two folders, and any binary in those two folders can be run, and even in their subfolders as well. So I am on this example machine. We have the user access. User is a dark user. So here is a normal user. I have fetched the access check binary to my desktop. So we are going to find the writable directories for our user in this normal from Windows folder and program files folder. So you can make that as a checklist. Whenever you face this Applocker default rules, you can try to run the icals on these checklist folders and see whether you have the right access or not. So I am on my desktop. Whenever try to run the access check.exe, it says this program is blocked by group policy. Okay, by default Windows temp directory is writable. We can go to that as well. cd Windows temp, and there is also another folder that is tasks. So this is also writable by default. If you run the icals on this, so you can see users have this write access. So how to find these folders is by using this access check. So let's go and copy this. Copy this access check into this. So we have this access check here, and we are going to accept EULA. So you need to accept this agreement, otherwise it's gonna pop up a GUI accept or decline window, and we need to send some options. So you can also see the options, so you can read the manual page as well, but we will be only using few options here. U for any suppressing errors, and V for verbose, and Q for omit banner, and then here comes the real options. I want to find the writable, so you need to say W for writable and D for directories. So let's remove D for now, and let's go and say from what directory you want to search for. I want to search in C Windows directory. Okay, this will only search for this C Windows folder, that any other folders in the C Windows that are writable by any person. Enter this. So you can see we get lot of data because it also contains the other user permissions as well. So to limit to one particular user, you can say the username here. So paste the username and followed by the actual path you want to search in. And you can see we have two folders that are writable by the dark user. Those are tasks and tracing. So you can add this to your checklist, and you can place the binaries here, and you can run those as well. So let's go and say we need to recursively search over these folders to find any writable. So it's gonna take some time. In the try hack me, they have given one folder, that is system32 spool drivers color is writable and whitelisted by default. So we gonna get that in the result as well. Now you can see we got this session32 sport drivers color and along with bunch of other folders which are writable by our user. Okay, I'm going to stop here now. You can add these paths into your some notes checklist, so you can directly place the exe into these folders and run them. So that's how you bypass the default rules. The default rules are only for Windows and system program files, so you can also search for program files as well, so it's gonna take so much time. So you can run for some time and you can get few results. Okay, no objects found. Okay, so you can take list of these folders and add to your checklist. So that's how you bypass the default rules.